Understanding blistering heat, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, blistering heat. This phrase vividly describes an extremely hot weather condition, and it's commonly used in English-speaking countries. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Blistering heat refers to very high temperatures that are intense and uncomfortable. The word blistering in this context is an adjective that emphasizes the severity or intensity of the heat. It suggests that the heat is so extreme that it could cause blisters, which are small pockets of fluid that form on the skin, usually because of heat or friction. In this phrase, blistering is used figuratively to describe the sweltering, unbearable nature of the heat. Blistering heat is often used in weather reports, news articles, and everyday conversation when discussing very hot weather conditions. It's particularly common in the context of heat waves or unusually hot summers. For example, the city is experiencing blistering heat this week, with temperatures soaring above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. During the blistering heat of the summer, it's important to stay hydrated and avoid prolonged sun exposure. To help you understand how to use blistering heat, here are a few example sentences. 1. The athletes competed in the blistering heat, showing remarkable endurance. 2. We decided to stay indoors due to the blistering heat outside. 3. The blistering heat made it difficult to walk on the sandy beach without shoes. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, blistering heat, and how to use it in your conversations. Remember, it's a descriptive way to talk about very hot weather, emphasizing its intensity and potential discomfort. Stay tuned for more interesting English phrases and idioms in our upcoming videos. Happy learning and stay cool, especially in the blistering heat.